Hiya and welcome to Keepa's Creative Flow. Welcome if you are new here. Thank you for those who are returning. So we've got this gorgeous Austrian crystal. It's quite heavy, to be fair, and it's got like a velvet back. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. Just get rid. Just got a lint remover. It's got a bit of fluff on the back. So what I was thinking of doing today is creating a sign to go in here, but with these tags. So I wanted to draw over that. I've also got my ATG gun, Scotch ATG 700. That's dry adhesive, so that is right here as well. Got a water bottle, water brush, some watercolor pencils. These were from WH Smith, and then just some scissors. Or could do with a marker as well. Let me just grab a marker. Oh, here we go. Got a Sharpie as well, so we'll write it in with the Sharpie. Got some Distress inks, Tom Holtz, Vintage Photo, and Distress Oxide Black Soot. I've got a few other ones as well, but if we need them, then we'll use them. So the first thing I was thinking of doing is, look how cute these even the little closure things are absolutely stunning with gem detail on there. So yeah, they're really cute. So let me just park that there. I'm just going to pop this out of here. Oh, I don't know if it'll come out. So this is going to be my measurement. So I'm going to measure this to this postcard here. So that these two things were from the Pink Zebra. So yeah, you can see her online at the Pink Zebra UK. I'm just going to wipe this down. I'm just going to need to clean this glass a bit. Not gas. Sorry, you can hear the neighbour's dog. It's very warm here in the UK at the moment. So sorry, I'm just listening to the door just rang. I'm just listening to who it is. Being nosy. Yeah. Let's give this a good clean. I don't know why it's stuck on the bottom. I don't want to break the glass. Definitely don't want to do that. But there's just a bit of muck on the actual glass. So before we carry on, let's give that a bit of a clean. Definitely. And you can pop it back in there. Yeah, I'm good with that. In we go. So let me just put that to the side. So first I was thinking of using this, my nephew's, it's like a shiny material. Let me just turn this other light on as well. There we go. Pearl card. But then I was like, this might actually fit within the, I won't need that. This will actually fit within this. So maybe we can use this like this. And then just cut round it. That will be the perfect shape, hopefully. Let's try and make sure it's straightish. There we are. I'm not going to stick anything down. We're just going to freestyle this. Hope you guys are doing all right. This has been sitting on my desk for a week and a half. And I'm like, I need to do that. So I had the idea, and I'll just show you some of the doodles I had, like as in what designs I was going to do on this. Oh gosh, I'm cutting a bit in. Never mind. Right, so So that's going to be the front. And then, so this is my design that I had. So this is what I was thinking of going with. These were a few of the other things I was just messing around with. But I just love swirls, so I'm just going to go with this simple swirl one. But before we do, I thought let's just colour this up a bit, just randomly, because the gems on here, that's why I'm doing it, because the gems on here are like a soft green and orangey, like burnt orange colour. So I thought let's just mix up this this frontage before we stick it down with a bit of this. Nothing fancy, just see how we get on with it. And then we'll watercolour it in. Actually, I might do a bit more this way. And see what it looks like. Hope you guys are interesting to see what you've been up to today. Well, so I've been chasing around. This is just a water brush, it's got water within it already. Oops, a daisy. And if I squeeze it a little bit, it will just dispense some water, and then it will just colour along. So this week, so my daughter had, well, was supposed to have had culture day today, but there was a gas leak, so she just came with me to the play group. So we run a play group at the Gurdwara. Yeah, so she was a really good helper today with me. Yeah, and we're planning a bit of a trip to the park as well, so I've got that going on. So I was just getting prices for that as well to let everybody know. But yeah, so they're supposed to have culture day as well today. So asking some people about if they've got like these outfits, which, oh gosh, this is what happens with this thing sometimes. Just press the trigger and put that back around. There we go. Excuse me. Oh, where's the, let's start it off again. See if this does it. I'm just going to do it on the wipes. On the wipe. Nope. Why are you doing that? This is where, if you do have one of these and it goes wrong like this, you do waste a bit of glue doing this, which is a pain, unfortunately. I'm trying to get it to start back up again. Nope. Oh, things stuck to the... Oh, goodness me. What's gone wrong here? I don't get it. So that goes in there. Oh, is it because there's... Yeah, so the glue is supposed to not be on there. Hang on. Let me get rid of that. There we go. I'm wondering if it's supposed to be going the other way. So let's try it. I think I might have started winding it the wrong way. Sorry about this, guys. No idea what I'm doing here. So, let's get rid of all this. Open that. And then that, and then this. Right, let's give that a shot. Get everything stuck to glue now. I don't know why it's not loading. Why are you not loading, dear machine? This happens sometimes. Just put the tape back on there. Which way it goes? Oh, the thing. You're missing this. I'm just going to do it on this. Nope. Getting no glue now. You know what? Whatever we've got on there, I think that's going to be enough anyway. Sorry about that, faffing around. I'm just going to add this so that we can see some of that sign. I'm going to write over this anyway. I really do like these threads. So that's it. Just have to stick with that. Might just add this in a bit. Yeah. There we go. Just get this. Oh, this is going to be the toughy bit, isn't it? Getting it kind of right in the centre-ish. Actually, this is the thin tip. We need a slightly thicker tip. No, that's a thin tip. There we go. That's a slightly, it says fine point, but this is a bit thicker. So here we go. So we've got kippas. Creative. Well, let me do that because otherwise it looks like a G. Wow, it's getting a bit noisy, isn't it? Flow. And then, should we go in with the thinner marker? Let's go in with the thinner one to do our swirl. Yes. When the dog hears stuff in this side of the garden, it's a neighbour's dog, it just starts going off like that. Right. Let's see how it looks. So I've got the frame back. I might just leave these out. Let's see if they stay in place. Just adding it back in there. Oh. That's it. Actually, I might just still put this back in case I need it as a template again. Although I could use that as a template if it will keep everything in place. That's the other reason. And then just close, close, close and close. Just tighten the screw a little bit. I think these ones are alright, that one was a bit tight. Lovely. Oh, there we go. So that's the sign, and that's gonna live on my shelf. So yeah, I like the way that's turned out. I hope you have a fantastic day. Sorry about the faffing with the glue gun. I'm gonna have to sort this out somehow. But take care for now. See ya. Bye.